Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Eliotwave News Channel by wavestrategy.com, a learning series by Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And today we are going to talk about uh, the markets. We are going to look at what is Nifty doing and how do we look at from the time cycle perspective and also the neo wave perspective on the markets. So let us very quickly revisit what have been discussed in the past webinars. We talked about 11,350 to 11,400 odd levels. Nifty touched around 11,344 and reversed from there. We saw a move on the downside at 10,880, I think around that zone. And that was a very superb move, nearly around 400 and 500 points on the downside, but still many believed that we shouldn't be cautiously positive. That was the reason to be cautiously positive. And one important cycle is turning and bottoming out in the coming week. So if you look at that cycle, I've been using for many years, and that is bottoming out over next 4 to 5 days. So 4 days, if I look at it, markets can consolidate is what I'm making out from here on, and it can move in a range. I'm going to be keeping a very close watch if that cycle can manage to form a low again. If you remember exactly around 54 days, 50 days back, 50 trading days back, I turned super bullish when Nifty was 9,000 levels. I turned super bullish and we got a huge move of 2000 on the upside, 2000 points we captured on the upside. And that was simply fabulous and wonderful. And now we are seeing some kind of a reversal happening from there, and we are seeing a slower upside move. However, we I have maintained my stand of positivity, and people just looking at this webinar, it's free, turned bearish. I've never turned bearish. I've just said I'm cautiously bullish, and if the support level breaks, I will turn bearish. The support now remains around the previous week's low, or this week's low, and it's going to be very important. Let us just look on the chart and what type of cycles that he can apply, because timing the trade is the need of an art. If you are not able to time the trade well, you will not be making money. Trust me, in this market, in 1 hour the entire risk reward scenario changes. Nifty moves easily by 100 points in 1 hour. Now that is something overly optimistic, I have told, but it takes only 15 minutes for it to move by 100 points. And Bank Nifty, on the other hand, moves nearly 300, 400 points in just 30 minutes of time. And that's why timing the trade to the point has become all the more important. And that's why I'm going to be talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty and how you have to time the trade looking at those cycle analysis. So let's just move on and look at this chart right now in front of you. This is the chart of Bank Nifty, and let's just check Nifty over here. If you are able to see the chart of Nifty, you can clearly see that the overall trend for Nifty has been positive despite of all the pessimism, all the bad news that we have seen. It has still not formed a lower high, lower low, which is a classic Dow theory suggesting that it has still not formed lower high, lower low patterns on the downside. If you connect the lows of the channel, you can clearly see a classic channel which has been ongoing on the market for now. Based on this channel, you can derive the levels on the upside. So let me connect one more trend line. And if you connect this trend line together, this is where the resistance is kicking in. Now this comes to around the zone of 11,550 on the upside. So for the coming week, it's going to be interesting if Nifty can manage to break above the high here of this week. We will head upside again. However, if the low is broken now in the coming week, then the reversal will happen. But the cycles are changing back to the upside, and I change my view with a blink of an eye if the market changes direction or the cycle turns from bearish to bullish. So that's how I changed my stand. I did not matter whether I have been bearish and I don't turn bullish. Many told that I have been cautiously positive, but it clearly suggested that. And you can clearly see from 11,342, 44 odd levels, Nifty moved down towards around 10,880. Now that's a huge enough move, nearly around 400 and more than 400 points. If for that 400 points you can't see that that was a move on the downside, I'm not sure how you are trading the markets. Even if you are a positional trader, 400 points is a big enough move. But if you are looking at stock specific action, it has continued to a limited few. Only a few stocks have continued to participate on the upside. It has not been across the board. So selecting stocks and trading those stocks, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be tricky. Picking up momentum out of this index, which is already exhibiting some divergences and slowdown, is going to be very, very difficult. So if you are a trader who are trading positionally or momentum basis, you have to be very careful, cautious, protect your capital. Now, when during the occasions when the move was just starting, you got like this one, which you can see, these moves were classic and you were able to get an amazing trends on the upside over here. But now the moves are getting more and more smaller. So it lasts only for 3 days and collapses. 3 days and collapses, and that too happens with the gap. So this is not an easy market to trade per se. During such times, you need to be using a stop loss very, very prudently and get out as soon as possible. So booking partial profit is very crucial over here. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has been a very drastic underperformer. Bank Nifty did not do much. It's simply moving sideways, and 21,000 becomes a very crucial level for Bank Nifty from here on. If Bank Nifty breaks that 21,000 level, then there can be some serious selling that can kick in. It looks like a double top, but the neckline is not yet broken. It also looks like that we are formed a shoulder on the left, a shoulder on the right, maybe two heads, but only this pattern is confirmed once you see a break below the neckline. I'm now going to talk about a very important aspect of cycle analysis. Now, time cycle is very, very crucial for you to understand, because if you are able to time the market well, you can make money in this market. On this hourly chart, let us try and put some cycles and check. This is randomly I am putting. There is a very systematic way of cycle analysis which we will be doing in the Master of Waves program, which is going to be happening on 22nd of August, 22nd and 23rd. It's a Master of Waves where we will combine Neo Wave along with cycles. That's a key to making a successful trade setup that you can be looking forward to. Let me now put the cycles here and explain where are the important lows. Now, this is just very crude way of putting cycles, but this is one of the way where how you can look at the cyclical analysis. Let us pick a point on this chart. So this is the cycle here. We will pick a point over here right now. This is randomly I'm selecting a point and I'm going to the next low. That was a lower point that you see on the downside. Once you have a lower point on the downside on the chart, I am selecting the other important lows over here. So if you can see this chart right now, I'm going to optimize this cycle in order to get a good trending reversal area. So I'm trying to optimize this cycle right now and trying to see which cycle fits on Bank Nifty, if it is helping us to capture some important lows on the chart. If that is the case, it's going to help us to get some insight into trading using timing the market. Now, if you look at this specific set of cycle, which is there on the chart, I can say this is a very, as I said, it's not a very systematic way of plotting it, but this is one of the way in which you can do the cyclical analysis. Look at these lows. So this is the area. So there is always a zone of cycles. Let me draw a cyclical zone right now. So this is the zone of the cycle that we can look at. This is the area where we saw the low being formed over here. The important low, if you can see it on the chart, was formed on Bank Nifty in this zone. Similarly, an important low was formed just before the cycle. Also remember, the cycle is not going to give you low exactly at that time. On occasions, yes, it will, but on occasions it will not. So you have to be very careful with this aspect. And we saw a very important cycle being formed here at multiple lows with on 23rd or 25th of March and 23rd of March, around that area. Post that, another low being captured on the cycle here, another one here, another one here, and this was a brilliant low again by this cycle. This is simply fabulous. Another low being captured here, another low being captured here, and we are right now at this specific zone. So if you are able to understand this cycle, you will be having a very, very high conviction for trading this cycle. Okay, you will be able to trade this cycle extremely well, or you will be able to trade bank nifty extremely well, I would rather say, because cycles are helping to trade the prices, not the cycles per se. So you will be able to trade bank nifty extremely well, because once you know you are nearing that cycle low, you know that you should start looking for buying opportunities again. So that's a very, very important cycle that you are seeing on bank nifty chart right now. And you can clearly see a low formed here. Let me again highlight it for you right now. And you can see a low being formed here, an important low being formed just before the cycle. A low formed here, which was not sustained for some time, and the top was made very, very soon, and we saw a selling pressure emerging. But a very important low on bank nifty. Now look at this low. This was from around 17,300, 400 odd levels to 21, 22,000 on the upside. That's like a classic up move that you saw post the cycle. Again, the same scenario repeated over here as well, and you can see it working fabulously. So this is the cycle which is worked very, very well on all of those lows, capturing those lows. And this cycle is formed a low again right now here. And that's why 21,000 becomes a very crucial level. If that breaks, which means this cycle is turning again on the downside. So you need to be very, very careful that where is this cycle right now and where are we per se. So the cycle has turned, short-term cycle has turned bullish over here, and the move prices, once the price confirms, you get a classic trade setup on bank nifty. So that's how you can probably use cycles, but I'll not be able to get into how do I derive it right now. We did it using randomly some how to identify, that's the question exactly. I will not be able to get how to identify these cycles. That's what we are going to do in the Master of Waves program, which is going to happen on 23rd, 22nd and 23rd of August. So if you would like to attend that program, you can simply visit wavestrategy.com, and let me just share across the screen with you right now, and you will be able to get all the information of that program of Master of Waves, which is happening on 22nd, 23rd. Also mind, the early bird is ending on the date of 10th of August. Only next few days you can register, and I will be discussing a lot more on deriving those cycles, of how to look at the wave patterns, and why we are right now in wave G as of now on a nifty. But if that is the case and cycles are suggesting that it's going to reverse back on the upside, how do we take care of this conflicting information that we get? Okay, so that's going to be very, very important. And I think next week the cycles are forming a low, and you can clearly see on the chart that I have shared across. So you will be able to get a lot of information from there that the cycles are forming a low. Again, to conclude, we have looked at one of the cycles on bank nifty, and bank nifty is moving very systematically, non-random. Despite of all the events that you are seeing, it is moving extremely systematic, and the cycles are forming low exactly as plotted on the chart, and you saw it how beautifully it has worked. Simply imagine if you have that ability now to time the market along with price and time, you can take a classic trade. Your conviction is going to increase drastically when you do that, and that's a very, very important way in which you can trade probably bank nifty and nifty if you can apply cycles on nifty, or rather stocks also. How to derive those cycles? You need to capture important lows, see if there is a periodicity that you are seeing on the chart, and if you are seeing that, you can grab the opportunity over there and you can derive the cycle. We are also running with an Independence Day offer for a lot of research that we publish, which is there. You can simply go on wavestrategy.com, get into see the banner, click there, contact us, and we'll give you a lot of information for that. Okay, I'm going to see many of you on the Master of Waves program happening on 22nd, 23rd August, and you are going to be really thrilled the way cycles with neo wave combined together works. Before we conclude, whoever is registering for Master of Waves, we are giving access to the ashishkyaltradinggurukul.com also, or aktradinggurukul.com, where there is an Elliott Wave 7 hours, 6 hours of videos, which is available for whoever registers for the Master of Waves in the early bird offer. So go grab this opportunity. And the next week markets, a lot of cycles are forming lows. Yes, I change my stand. If the cycle turns, I don't care what the everyone is saying. I change my stand. But if the cycle forms low, but the market tops out, that's also very vital information. On Nifty, keep a watch on 10,880 on the downside. On the upside, the levels that we derived is near around 11,550. The market remains cautiously positive. Buy on dips because we have not yet seen lower high, lower lows. Yes, this is wave G. Yes, we are in wave B. It's consumed a lot of time, but that's how tricky it is. But the time cycles have continued to capture an important lows, which I showed. And if you like this, you can simply share it across with this. And I will also be uploading this across on the YouTube channel. You can get access to it at the rate Kailashish, or you can share it on the Twitter. Check out all the various tweets that I'm doing, again at the rate Kailashish. For any queries or doubts for program registrations, get in touch on 99204-22202, and we will be more than happy to get you on board. Thank you very much and have a wonderful time, and hope you enjoyed this session with some difficulty in the beginning, but now we are able to do it well. Thank you very much and have a wonderful weekend.